viewers, welcome you. And today we are going to start with another one of the interesting and most useful for mechanical engineering as well as civil engineering. So I started with making a tutorials on AutoCAD 2025. So let us start with one by one, like going to the different commands that will be used in the AutoCAD. First, we'll learn all the commands and how it works and how to control all this, right? So first we'll get this when you open the AutoCAD, then you have to go to the new, right? So here in this video, we'll start explaining the commands by alphabets. First, I will enter with A. Then I will explain what is align command. Okay. So first, you have to understand how the align commands it will be used. Okay. Now take any one line somewhere like this. Draw something. Draw some object like I will draw some object somewhere. Okay. So like that. So now you can see that there are some elements or some objects that have been in different location, right? So now, for example, uh, if I want to transfer or if I want to make the movement of this object to touching this line, okay, I just want this rectangular object that should be lie on this line, okay. So I will use the commands called an align, ALI, then enter. So this is align commands. Okay, now you have to select the object, which object you want to make the movement. Okay, now I will select this rectangular first, then again enter. Then it's asking for specify the first source point. So I will select this point as the first source. Okay, now the destination where it has to reach. For example, I want to make this point. Okay, this point should touches this line. Okay, this is my destination. Okay, now again it is asking for to select the second source of point. So again I will select this is my second source and I want to shift to here. Okay, so this is the second destination. Okay, now after that, if you want to again, there is asking for the third source, or you can just stop for the second source. If you want to stop at second source, just enter. Okay. Now after that, the command is asking for align the scale object based on the alignment points. Yeah. Okay. So I can check. Okay. So this whatever the rectangle we are having that is been aligned or that is been transferred to the line or it is lying on this line. Okay, we'll try once again. Okay, so use the align command first, then select the object. Now, see, I will select the object. Later, you have to enter. Now, use the first point. I will use this as first point now, and this is my destination point. Again, you have to use the second point. Then I will say this is my destination point. Okay, then enter. Then say yes. I can check. Okay, so in this way, we can merge the two objects or we can join the two objects, right? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support for more videos because I just started making the videos on the AutoCAD. So let us learn together and thank you, right?